Today I had a special request for an adjustable infinity sign ring. I'm just going to clip this flush. This is 18 gauge wire. I'm going to bring this in with the round pliers and then bring this one around to the other side and just try to adjust them so they're more or less the same. And then we're going to just bend that out at an angle. I'll get the ring cone and just bend it around like that. Just bring this one around, flip it, and bring it around this way. And then we're just going to clip this flush. Get your flush cutters in there and give it a clip, and then get your flat pliers to push it right in so it's flat. So now if you want them parallel, you can just take this and turn it a little bit, adjust these, and then you can put it back on the ring cone and adjust it to whatever size that you want. And there you have your double infinity sign ring. And I'll link up below how to make an adjustable single infinity sign ring with a paper clip. We're going to get our 18 gauge wire and just cut this flush. I'm going to get some round pliers and just form the infinity sign one side and then the other side. You can wiggle this around to get the two sides even. I'm going to put it on the ring cone and bring this one around. I'm going to go around twice this time to make it a little bit different, and my infinity signs are a little smaller. And just above that one, I'm going to form the other infinity signs. We're going to bring that one around here. And then flip this around and come around this way. Try to get them about the same size. Adjust it a bit. Just clip that flush. Push that down so it's flat. Both of these are flat. We're going to put it back on the ring cone. Press it down. If you want this facing down a bit, you want that one going up a bit. It's nice if these are parallel. And there you have your super cute double infinity sign ring.